A very good afternoon to you. Staying cold out there today, clear and crisp for many. A little more cloud into the north and the west and turning increasingly wintry later in the week. A split setup out there today, brilliant blue skies across the south and the east, just a little more in the way of cloud cover across East Anglia. Further north, further west, disappointingly grey skies, quite misty and murky around those western coasts of Scotland. And for many of us, dry as we head into a new month, if quite chilly. The cold feel enhanced where we've got the thick low cloud, just 4 or 5 degrees here. And with the brisk biting breeze around those eastern coastal counties, feeling quite bitter through the afternoon. Tonight, staying dry for many of us as temperatures slide through England and Wales. A slight and patchy frost as the night wears on. As for the north and the west, the cloud keeping temperatures up a notch. Here, some low cloud into a new day, outbreaks of rain behind this, colder with wintry wet weather to come. A very good evening to you. Staying cold into a new month, much more in the way of cloud cover compared to today, and increasingly wintry later in the week. A combination of rain with a chance of sleet, hill snow, and with falling temperatures, frost and some ice. As for the next 24 hours, this system rolling its way from north to south, giving a little light rain and drizzle. Behind this, much colder air, increasingly wet, wintry conditions, quite blustery winds, some sleet and snow most likely across the highest ground of Scotland and northern England. Further south, mostly of rain, but we could well see some sleet, particularly across the highest ground. And as temperatures fall, frosty with a chance of ice. As for the next few hours, clear, starry skies will mean falling temperatures and turning frosty through parts of England and Wales as the night wears on. A slight and patchy frost here. A little more cloud cover further north, keeping the frost at bay. Misty low cloud, particularly around the hilltops, giving poor visibility. And then behind the rain, as it slides through Scotland, much colder air pushing in from the north, and here turning increasingly wet and wintry. A combination of blustery downpours giving sleet and snow through parts of northwestern Scotland. And through tomorrow, staying quite cold out there. Temperatures very much on the low side, a good deal of cloud cover. The cloud reluctant to budge across central and eastern zones ahead of this patchy rain and drizzle, sliding its way from the north to the south. Behind this, clear, crisp conditions but colder air and a combination of blustery, wet, wintry weather as we head through the afternoon. More rain, sleet and hill snow to come as the week wears on.